Mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TBGH so what friend me adwoa search me.
That was NSO
Osubempa Felix Kwachofu su kande to so a me fi se ne nkedo no de afiri mu anka beboa se one wa pachew ye twi nanim enti no ano no so we discussion na ekwa se o de bia yi de ano de o de montwe na so kakra bi
tike bia suspension bi
e bi kura
ananka ye je ni sika
president
edema mahama care
the ministers be anko file or more than their assets or say you've lost your 3 months
plus
salary,
1 month
plus
4 months
1 month there mama up to a close of Wednesday man kwanko you lose your positions now man for call say dia senior in terms of governance President John Dramani Mahama Sia start here ekoye now say what decided say he would discipline anybody that goes overboard no now a man for expect some kind of SBA bibi kakra akuta se okase wapachew ye twi nanim enti eno ano no the speed with which odebe pachew no enye hwe momie mfa nche no a akuta na kese wetwa se bi ato e ma the other appointees
to bi so fuma oba be pachew
mi kokofum ya mi hu se public ade ne ba no ade chi anopa na ma twira koto mi Facebook page se me so me pachew adwobre o na me chief of staff afre me na ma kobum kotudwe no atwum anim se ne obi bai ne se opachew ne se mutwi nanim a ne se mode ne bo na eche me a ade na me de chenchina
ka be se bia ke ti sika bi
at least ka it to put bibi some kind of fear bi kra no into the other appointees wo mo honom no so hu at least e bia ne 3 months salary bi kra no so hu yemfa nko Mahama care next time sadie we enye biu afa the other appointees nyina so ye watchman so ye cook so ye hwan seta but say yes wa patch akote ye kroma say no eno an ye dia say oman na besi no
ya to ahene
oh na say ni pe wa patch enye hwe mo bunyama nenka echopa efiechi ni abofo no ni akibububu ba dia sese wa ena krona say ya besi ne.
So, Mammy, now I'm in Kwasantiho. Yakoba, don't flip your dust. Stay with us. We will look into and Yama.
Get your attention of what they are doing, you know. NDC first start here, any Akochi Sky Train way, any Akochi Sky Train way. And what pisses me off about this whole Sky Train, you know, say, almost say conspiracy between Amiya Kumfi and the next CEO. What have they stolen? What is the evidence that point say asimesi anebintin eji seska we wa ha last week who say ye be ye no makofa edubu ahen dia ba edubu ahen beti omoto asesa narrative no Ghana for mama mani nda ho NDC is doing all these things because omu hu kura mfa boto nshemu so omu hu boto mfa kura nshemu omutu no mutino position they do and true mutaya da power mutaya no and then the karma is playing to them and they cannot govern, they cannot rule. You campaigned on the KK being one city, the KK is still high. Stupidly for them, they think that the dollar losing its power now is something that Sebe Ghana people did or some Ghana government did. It's not. It is not. Because if indeed the dollar was that good, indeed if the cedi was that good, it should reflect in the market. As we speak, cement is up. As we speak, iron rods is up. As we speak, a pound of nails is up. None of it, none of the whole core, and a dollar. Now, none of it has affected any food prices or affected any commodity prices. No bets now, no masia bedadamo, nende, and Omakochiwe, Sky Train, and a Sky Train. Every project there's a visibility study. And so they will go to court and everything will come back to zero. Say, first, na yet the esteem na NPP for Jimmy Phobia, a woman there, and Woyani bitterness, a woman, Omo TV, no American, they come one as Omo party, no more Tomo party, say Omo party. Mama went in now. And we were is to divert attention from the Sammy Gyamfi saga. They want Ghanaians to discuss, say, an MP before by Omo this, Obian Kodi dollar. I was expecting them to say conspiracy to steal, conspiracy to cause this, but they never said that. All they said was conspiracy. You can go and read the charges. You can go and read Dominica Yini stupid charges. I know Lane say court to be prosecutors are dealing. You have a baby be the as a someone jenny, you have a baby be the real jenny, you have a baby be the dada, what jenny free the SS of what can would you not have for it? Now more NPP for them, more than why MPP for no young cousin Jimmy, young Ken Baumia, Sani of Jimmy, Nanko 4 way, and we are Ghana and say Ghana Bubro in 4 years. Last week, when something came, I can't ask them, almost Yakochi Dubuahi. Bibi Banayas, Yabekan was Sam, see a Quebec, almost say Yakochi MPP Nibako. Yes, you and I we are Kowefi, and we are Kobuye Diani. Diversionary tactics, what do you think they eat the 78 million for? Movies the 78 million, ya de ma philosopher su kwa chekwa na ya fa ma no kwa na djuma no de ye no ye nto media ni na ndra na kwa siampani bi te se Omanhene sebe Omanhene kwa bra santene sa fake elder no obi fake elder obi or say bonsu fake guy o ma betina asempa e defend Sammy Gyamfi because Sammy Gyamfi show mu ni na afunu mu. There is no day as Sammy Gyamfi beba omo envelope, so they can't touch him. Sometimes some of us, when we work with them, we learn and we watch. The reason why Asempa FM has to give Sammy Gyamfi all the grandeur and all those things, and they say every time a Sammy Gyamfi will be a job envelope mehuda. I've been in that studio before. That is what they do. Media men, I'm telling you, that is who they are. And that is why they are not objective. That is why they are not real. This MPP NDC case, the reason why it's here, Jimmy Moore, is because of the foolish media we have, like Omanhene Kwabena Sante. Omanhene Kwabena Sante, Cecilia Dapa case ba, and said Cecilia Dapa kra or no why Juma or one be krano. Munche de amode ye no asempa. The only journalist that was able to look at the Cecilia Dapa case with clear law was Paul Adomotri. Asa. And California, this is the foolishness they did. But today, the same Omanhene Kwabena Sante na funu se both road. Ebetina ho e defend Sammy Gyamfi because kwasiye or Sammy Gyamfi go to namu de nemu de amede beyemu. Where your warm I came to warn my MPP people say, Omunja Jimmy na obi kan samwa no mu Jimmy we have a case to prosecute. Your leadership at your press conference and raising very potent and serious questions, sir. We need to push that agenda. And then we are going to leave it and go and talk about the Kumfi and the rest. While they are underground doing evil, while they are underground stealing, when is the Ghana youth going to wake up? When is the Ghana brain going to wake up?